gonna eat it?
I've already picked an entire basket of tomatoes and there's so many that still haven't even turned red yet. We are going to have an overabundance of tomatoes. So I ended up with so many of these Roma tomatoes, and out of all of them, only one had split. This is the one that kind of split open. And there's just so many tomatoes. And I still have so many on the plants too. We're gonna be making homemade pasta sauce, ketchup, and salsa out of these. I need to go pick the few peppers that I do have. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this yellow squash right here as well, because that yellow squash seems to be done for the year. Okay, I'm gonna pick these little jalapenos for the salsa. And I'm also gonna pick a couple of the cayenne peppers as well.